In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load content. Please try again error on X app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are getting this error on X, formerly Twitter app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to troubleshoot your app by going to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for X, tap on it to open, and then go to for stop app, okay. Go to clear data and clear cache, okay. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone. If you have one, uninstall it, as this might be causing the issue. At this point now, everything should be okay and you should be able to load content. You also want to check and ensure you have a stable internet connection. However, if that fails, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if we have any update for X. Update your app to the latest version. However, at this point, if still you can't load or nothing loads or your content doesn't load on X, then most likely X might have experienced internal server error. For that, you will need to wait and try after some few minutes, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.